Welcome to Fair World and welcome to our tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to edit your HTML site if you have a GoDaddy shared hosting account. This is not just only for GoDaddy shared hosting account, but it's for pretty much for any shared hosting account. As long as you have a cPanel, you can also follow in this tutorial. First things first, you log into your GoDaddy account or to your other hosting account, and what you want to do is you want to click on web hosting. And you click on Manage over here. And this tutorial is useful for people who are not very comfortable in using code. Basically, if they're beginners even. And then once you are in this page, you click on Manage. And this will redirect you to a new page. And in that new page, you're going to have a bunch of different options. And we are going to find the File Manager. You might have a different interface, but all you gotta do here is basically, if you can't find File Manager, because sometimes File Manager is at the bottom, you're gonna go to Command F or Control Z if you're in a PC, or Command F on a Mac, and just type in. I was looking for Katie earlier. You type in for File Manager or just File, and here, File, and you just click on the drop down menu over here. You can go through all of them and you'll find it over here, File Manager. So you click on File Manager right here, and next you're going to be prompted, and you just want to click on webroot public underscore HTML. That's your public folder, and you want to click on Show Hidden Files, and you click on Go. What's important is that you click on the public underscore HTML, and over here on your left menu, you're going to see public underscore HTML right over here. So you know you're in that folder. Next, what you want to do is you want to, if you are looking at your index, these are all your files, right? And now this is a one page, and so the home page over here is the index.html. So you're going to click on the icon on the left. And once you click on the icon on the left once, you're going to click on HTML editor. And that HTML editor is basically going to give you a visual, easier way to edit your website. If you choose code editor, it's all going to be in code. And if you choose edit, it's going to be in just text format with no colors. So now we're going to choose HTML editor. You click on that, and then you'll be prompted with an error. But in this case, you don't have to worry about it because we have GoDaddy hosting, and that gives you a SSL certificate when you're accessing cPanel. So we're just going to click on Edit. Now, this may not work if you have dedicated hosting, but if you have dedicated hosting, I believe you have a developer who's taking care of that for you. So now over here, this does not have any styling whatsoever. So just to give you an example, I'm going to open a new page. I'm going to type in brookstudios.co.uk, and this is basically the landing page. And as you can see in the landing page, there is it's obviously styled. There's the style sheets and the JavaScript, everything is loaded, and so we're gonna come back over here, and as you can see here, this is the home, about, work, services, contact, just like here, home, about, work, services, contact. So if you want to change anything here, you can just change it. You can just select it. You can backspace. You can just do whatever you want here. And so this is how you can edit your site. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. And like I said, you just want to play around with all this. But before you do that, I actually want to show you how to save a document. So before you decide to make all these changes, of course, when you want to click Save here on the left. But before you even get into this, I forgot to tell you earlier, you might want to download it. And if you want to download a file, you just, as you select it here, you just click on Download right over here. Or you can just double click on the icon. But you can just select it here and then click on Download. And then in case something goes wrong or you do something and you want to restore it, you can upload it later by coming back to the public folder and clicking on Upload. So for now, that's all I wanted to share with you, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please let me know if you need anything else.